Okay, here we are at the range. This is a 500-yard range. Okay, with the way we've got it set up now, this range we can go out to 525 yards. Got a table over here, a table over here, and let's kind of zoom in to start seeing the down there by the creek and the green. That's 300, and all the way back to the back, the white targets. That's a full silhouette target back there at 525 yards. So that's what we've got today.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it. It's a
Rich gonna tell you about his rifle. He don't want to be on real superstar, so I just go off the good.
Straight,
What do you have?
Straight out of the box, stock Tikka Super Varmint in 308. Okay, it's a Trijicon AccuPoint 5-20.
Trijicon 5-20. Second focal plane?
Yeah, MOA, not mils.
MOA.
Shooting federal gold medal match most of the time, 168.
Okay.
It's got about 300 rounds through it, and the overall average is about 0.4 MOA.
That's super.
With factory ammo.
You just shot two shots to the same hole at 450 yards.
Yeah, 475, yeah.
475.
And the rifle does that a lot as long as I do what I'm supposed to do.
That's fantastic.
Very impressive rifle.
All right. Thank you. Okay. It's a 308, 168 grain, silhouette at 500.
525 on the silhouette.
Okay. 525 on the silhouette.
Say one more. One more time.
Boy, that thing range is good, doesn't it?
You still filming?
Yeah.
Let's try to send a 3-shot group.
Man, that's less than 1 MOA at 525.
Yeah, the first two hit the same spot. Then I got excited and pulled the other one to the right a little bit, or a little higher. Cool.
Man, that thing is freaking amazing. I mean, it's just hard for me to believe that I can do that.
Yeah. Sheriff just sent me a video here. Oh, it's raining.